stay up for more than, been the last couple of months, really. Not up for more than 8-9 hours. I need to get a nap. Oh, we got a plane. We got a plane. Hi, plane. Hi, plane. He's coming out of Pelston, PLN. I don't know where he's going. Canada, probably. So we are right underneath the glide path for the Pelston, as you can see. I'm taking out. I absolutely love these planes. You couldn't see me. I'm sitting there waving. I got my orange hat. So I'm waving at it, just being a total idiot. I love these planes. I love planes. I don't know why. I love planes.